Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Oops. Today is Friday. Yay, mini Friday. So I have $40 to play with today. I love mini Fridays because they are smaller challenges to complete, and that money goes towards my debt because I'm trying to become debt free. You guys, if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and click that thumbs up right now. Today I have a little happy mail, you guys, from Eileen. It is the last pen pal group happy mail, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so if you're new here, Amanda created a pen pal group where we will send each other happy mail of freebies, and you can find them in their Ko-Fi shop or Ko-Fi shop. And yeah, so first thing first, I have a cute flower sticker, and it says love and peace, and it says thank you so very much. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. Yes, yes, yes. And then it says Yancy, your swap made my day. I hope this package brighten yours. Yes, I love it. All right, first thing first, we got a little like placeholder, a little like money prop for $100, which is so cute. And then the cute little like a teal color. Is it teal, green? I don't know, guys. I am not good with colors. Okay, if it's a purple, it's a shade of purple. I don't know what purple it is, but it's a shade of purple. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get it open, shall we? Okay, let's see what she created this time. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness, look at the cute little minis. Okay, I love this. Life with me. So that's her. She created some just like me, just like the little mini ones that I created as well, but she did a March theme. I love this. I cannot wait to use this for Mini Mondays. Literally, they're so adorable. Or maybe I use it for Freebie Fridays too. Who knows? Okay, we have those, and then we have this right here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so she did March theme. I love it. You can do any number on that. I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, this one is so cute. Each section equals so whatever you want. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is so adorable. Thank you. I'm so excited to use it. Thank you. So I will leave her name on the description box so you guys can go follow her on YouTube if you haven't already. She's so sweet. I love her videos. She's very she giggles a lot. She laughs a lot in her videos, and I love that. I just think it's just like, you know, how do you say that? Like, it's so contagious. Is that how you say it? So yeah, all right guys, let's go ahead and get started. So we have $40 to work with today. We do have to take a thumbnail. Don't forget about that, right? We love taking thumbnails. So yeah, so I'm excited that it's Friday already. OMG, cannot believe it's Friday. Time goes by so quick. Like, I don't know, but it's going by so quick, very fast. So yeah, so this one is for the bigger challenge, which is this right here. Okay, all right, and then last but not least is gonna be this Christmas one. All right guys, so let's go ahead and take a cute little thumbnail, shall we? All right, let's see. I love the lighting. I love natural lighting. Love it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a little quick picture. Thumbnail. All right, 3, 2, 1, cheese. All right guys, I do want to let you guys know, OMG, I have officially applied into the YouTube AdSense. Is that how you say it? I know, YouTube AdSense, to get paid with YouTube. I have officially applied. I'll put a little screenshot here. So I'm in the progress. It can take, I think it says 2 to 3 weeks to know if you qualify, I believe. I don't know, never really done it before, so I'm excited. Yeah, so thank you so much, you guys. All right, good luck. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, everyone gets $1. So thank you so much for everything. OMG, without you guys, I would have not done it. So guess what? We are gonna have a little giveaway coming next month. So yeah, as a little thank you for the fun little milestone of getting into this. You guys know, if you're new, I stopped doing YouTube videos for, ooh, that's a 5. I don't remember, last one was a 5 or 4. Oh well. I'm talking and playing at the same time doesn't do good for us. So yeah, so I stopped for 4 months, and those 4 months sent me back a lot with the watch hour. And you know, you have 12 months to do 4,000 watch hour. After those 12 months, if you don't do the 4,000 watch hour, your hours starts dropping every day. Let's redo that again. Every day. So yes, I appreciate all of you guys so much. Come on, 6, you need one. Come on. Whew, 5. Okay, so thank you. So I'll be doing a little a 3. Oh my gosh, why? Come on. Nope. So I'll be doing a cute little fun thank you giveaway soon, next month. I'm just waiting for an Etsy drop for this month because I want some of those items. And yeah, I already know what I'm gonna be doing for giveaway. 5. You guys, we need a 6. Come on. Oh yes. I got a 5. Yay. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, awesome. You guys. Oh, yes. It's catching up. Okay. And yeah, so last dollar goes to a 3. Okay, so yeah, so I'm excited for that, and I'm so thankful and grateful. I just think it's a very nice little like milestone that I have accomplished with my YouTube era or YouTube budgeting. And yeah, so I'm so excited for that, you guys. Like, I'm very thankful and grateful for all of you guys. Like, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here doing my debt journey. I would probably be more in debt because I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to basically be accountable. Oh, is that how you say it? I wanted to basically see where I spend my money and what I was doing, to be held accountable. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one got 4, and we don't have any, so we're not gonna do this one because all I have left is the $5 little car. So oopsies, maybe next time. So yeah, so I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you guys. You guys did so amazing. Like, I appreciate everyone that played my playlist, everyone that watched my video from beginning to the end. Like, y'all are amazing. You guys rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. I'm gonna leave it like this because I want to do a 9. I'm gonna leave it like that because I really want to do a 9 because it's a big one. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. We need $1 more for that one to complete this one because I want to do this one. It's very high, so I want to do that. So yeah, so there's that quick update for you guys because I know you guys were wondering what's going on. Are you there yet? Nope, not there yet, because I know a lot of you guys have been seeing ads, but no, I'm not there yet. All right, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10, but guys, I want to do one of the 7. I really want to do one of the 7s. So let's do one of the 7s here. So that's 5, 6, and 7, because I'm trying to get the max as much as I can for this challenge. All right, so this one is gonna get a $2, and we're gonna be left over with a 1 for next time. So that's exciting. So this one will save us more than $20. $20 is just with those here for 2 each, but 777 is 21. So that's gonna be $41 for us to save, you guys. $41 for us to save. Can you believe that? So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm determined to do that because the bigger the money it is for me, the better, because it goes towards my debt. So yeah. All right, I almost forgot that $1. By the way, guys, are you guys doing anything fun for this weekend? Let me know. Also, let me know how's the weather. Oh my goodness, you guys. So today is gonna be a little bit bad. We're in like a thunderstorm, no, a tornado type of warning type of thing. It could get into a tornado, which tomorrow, Saturday, is extremely bad. Like it's very risky. Good thing I don't go to work tomorrow, but still, the weather is gonna be so ugly here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9, you guys. Let's see. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are done with this one. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that, you guys. OMG. Yes. Yay, yay. So this one is for $35 and it's from Beauty Mom's Budget. We got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay! Awesome. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay. Well, that was fun. All right, let's do this one for March. Each of them is gonna be $1. So we're gonna do each of them for $1, you guys. So yes. All right. So this one is from CNC Budgets Creation on Etsy. You can find her like that. So each of this is gonna be $1. Okay. So yeah. So like I was saying, the weather is extremely ugly, and for Saturday, for tomorrow. So yeah, they've been announcing it all week. And I'll be honest with you, when spring start, Alabama, if you're new here, I'm from Alabama, y'all. Okay, y'all? Y'all hear me? Okay? I'm from the South. The most racist state ever, I'll be honest with you. Okay? That's all I will say. Like, literally, of all the state, Alabama is very racist. Like, people would, I'm not kidding. When I tell them I'm from Alabama, they're like, oh, okay. So your cousin is dating your cousin type of thing. That's how they know us. I'm like, what the hell? Like, boy, bye. What? Like, yo, crazy. No, that doesn't mean every Alabamian is like that. You know, I swear. Anyways, but yeah. I'm from Alabama. So, starting spring, it's tornadoes, hurricanes. I mean, you name it. You name it. That's just how it is here in the South. That's how it is. It's nothing unusual. So yeah, we got a 5, 6, and a 7. Okay, we got a 7, you guys. So we're gonna do a 4. This purple one is a 4. 4, 5, 6, 7 with the yellow, because the yellow is 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, 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 yes. All right, look, we already got a 20 in there, so that's exciting. So yeah, so hopefully your weather is not that bad. Hey, I love to make you guys laugh, okay? You guys know me. I'm just me. I'm a hot mess express. You guys know that. I don't need to tell you guys that. And I'm real. I don't got, like my mother-in-law says, I ain't got no hair on my tongue. In Spanish, es no tengo ningún pelo en la lengua. Okay? This one got 1, 2, 3 left over from last time, and today it got a 2. So we have a 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can complete that one. And we're about to roll to see how much we're going to do for next time. So yeah. So I say whatever's in my head, whatever's in my mouth, whatever's in my mind, I will say it out loud. All right. And oh, snappy, snappy. We got a 6 for next time. Okay. So this one I'm doing a roll and save. So that's exciting. So a 6 for next time. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Woohoo! Happy Friday! Yes! Es viernes y el cuerpo lo sabe. All right. So I hope you enjoy that fun video. I love making videos like this, you guys. I look forward to Mini Mondays and Freebie Fridays and Freaky Wednesday. I love it because it's just small amounts add up so quick. I've said this so many times. And yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I see you guys tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Saturday. So happy that you were able to join me today and spend your precious time with me, because your time is precious. Y'all know that. And I appreciate it. Yeah, for giving me a little bit of your time. And yes, I'm excited. I will keep you guys updated on my YouTube AdSense, into the getting into like getting paid or whatever. I will keep you guys updated. Thank you. Keep coming back. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And keep tuned, or stay tuned, I should say. Stay tuned for a giveaway for next month for reaching 4K hours. And hopefully I get approved for my YouTube AdSense. So yeah, alrighty guys, enough talking. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, have a lovely Friday. Thank you so much. I love you guys.